If you're in engineering technology at Miami Regionals, chances are you've already heard about the AM Hub. But here's what it really means for us. The Advanced Manufacturing Workforce and Innovation Hub is more than just a new building on campus. It's our home base. It's where we get hands-on with the stuff we're learning: industrial robots, automation systems, AGVs, 3D printers, and more. Everything in there is the kind of tech that companies are using right now. For our senior design projects, we work directly with real industry partners to solve actual problems on the factory floor. It's not just a class project, it's professional experience. And because the AM Hub is all about workforce development, we're not just learning theory, we're building the skills that get us hired. It's also a space where career tech students, employers, and university faculty all come together. That means more connection, more collaboration, and more opportunities to grow. So yeah, the AM Hub is a game changer for our major. It's where engineering technology becomes real.